Hi, I have come up with a chocolate truffle cake made in air fryer. First we'll prepare the dry ingredients. 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 pinch of salt, 2 and a half teaspoon of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift all the ingredients together and keep them aside. Instead of milk I am using here coffee. 1 tablespoon of coffee powder mixed with 1 cup of hot water. For wet ingredients, 1/3 cup of curd and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them well. Now add 1/3 cup of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix well. Add 3/4 cup of sugar powder. Whisk until the sugar dissolves completely. Now add sifted dry ingredients little by little, mixing gently. Adjust the batter consistency with the coffee mixture. Finally, add 2-3 drops of vinegar and fold the batter gently. Pour the batter into greased cake tin and gently tap it on the counter to remove any air bubbles. Preheat the air fryer to 160 degrees for 5 minutes. Place the cake tin and bake it at 160 degrees for about 20 minutes or until the toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. To make chocolate ganache, 1 packet of dark compound chocolate finely chopped. Place the chopped chocolate in a bowl and add half cup of fresh cream. Microwave for 30 seconds, then remove and stir well. Repeat this process 2 more times for total of about 1.5 minutes until the chocolate melts completely. Add half teaspoon of butter and mix until smooth. Let the ganache cool completely. Once cooled, whisk it with a spoon until it becomes creamy. Transfer some of the ganache to a piping bag for decoration. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar in a 1 cup of hot water and mix well to make sugar syrup. Cut the cake into 2 equal layers. Apply little chocolate on the base and place the bottom layer and soak it with sugar syrup. Then spread the layer of chocolate on the top. Place the second layer on top and soak it well with sugar syrup. Spread the chocolate ganache over the entire cake. Since the ganache is thick, dip spatula in hot water, wipe it with a dry napkin and use it to smooth the cake for a neat finish. Finally, microwave the remaining ganache for about 15 seconds or melt it using the double boiler. Pour it over the cake and to get a glossy finish. Decorate the cake with your favorite design. Refrigerate the cake for a few minutes before serving. I just slice and show you how it looks.